Good morning, Mari. Good morning, Rachel. This is Mrs. Renfro. I just wanted to give you kind of a tour of Mari's agenda so that we can get her back on pace. I discussed this with Mari yesterday. We went over some things whenever we met one-on-one. But Rachel, I would like to kind of show you so you know what to be looking for. So this is the first page of Mari's agenda. You can see her benchmark scores, the login for Prodigy. If she wants to get on typing.com, she can. It's really good practice. And then her checklist, I did update this. So she's going to be working in Epic Ed, and then our in-person meeting will be from 9 to 12. 9 to 10 will be individual. But I did take out Lexia because Mari is she's where she needs to be with her reading, and then Prodigy is an option. She can do it, she doesn't have to though. So these are the requirements. And then the pacing guide, if you look at the tab that says semester 1 pacing, you can see the pacing for different subjects. Now, I was doing it by percentage, and I know that can be kind of confusing because how do you get it exactly to that percentage? Well, we are going to, I switched gears, and I put by topic. I went and looked at the topic that Mari is currently on, and she needs to be doing a topic a week. So essentially the topics are weeks. We should be working on topic 14 right now. We are a little bit behind. So this week, Mari needs to be finishing up topic 8 in language arts, 11 in math, 14 in science, and 13 in social studies. And then this is the Prodigy. If you're working in Prodigy, that is awesome. It is not a requirement anymore though. I would focus your attention more on your Epic Ed assignments. So like I said, at the beginning of the year, we were supposed to start with topic 1. Topic 1 would be week 1. There are different lessons within the topic, and then you do a different topic each week. I did go ahead and update that, and I wanted to show you how to check that in Epic Ed. So you can see the scores this is what Mari should see whenever she logs in. So say that we needed to work in language arts. Instead of doing the to-do list, I want you to just click into the subject, and you are on topic 8 in language arts. So you're going to scroll down. Topic 8 is in unit 2. So you're going to click on topic 8. Let's look and see if we've done lesson 1. So lesson 1 would be day 1. So that would be like Monday. And then lesson 2 would be Tuesday. So you've got some catching up to do. So that is what you would do. And you can see if it's done, there will be a little check mark next to it. She has her exit ticket. So, the little check mark means it's done. I did go in and take out a few assignments, but really we need to be getting caught up on language arts. And I've noticed that she's at 10% right now. It does not look like Mari has worked in language arts since fall break. And part of that's on me. I apologize that I haven't been monitoring that more closely, but I will be from now on. And Mari, I ask that you try to keep up with this, okay? So let's look at math. You're on topic 11. I'm going to go to math, your activities. Topic 11 will be under unit 2. You can see you've already done some of these. Now the IXL, in order to get a check mark on the IXL, you have to log in like we did yesterday. You have to log into IXL through Clever. You're going to go to your Clever portal. You're going to click on IXL. Yours will look different. This is mine. You'll click into IXL. That will log you in. And then you want your score to get to 80%. You want a SMART score of 80% like we talked about yesterday. Okay, so you're on topic 11. You can see that you've already done lesson 3. You've done everything in these except for, looks like you haven't done your vocabulary assignment quite yet. You haven't done your IXL. Got a few more things to do in here. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. I know that Epic Ed can be a lot, but you can see that the check marks, you can look and see what you have done. And then you also can see your grades if you want to go see what your grades look like. Everything that you have done for the year, you can see your grades for each activity. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I would like to, every time we check in on Thursday, I'm going to make sure that we are where we need to be in our curriculum, and I will give you an update, Rachel, as we do that as well. And yeah, happy Friday. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon.